Alright guys, welcome back to the fourth update on Tropical Storm Celia. Still trying to gain convection right now, as you can see on the satellite imagery, but it has definitely improved in intensity from yesterday. That is why I did not do an update yesterday. I was going to, but there was really no point because the storm was at the same intensity from the update previous to that day. But anyway, as you can see, the storm has sort of gained more intensity. Not too much intensity, only 10 miles an hour actually from my analysis. I mean, not 10, 5 miles an hour, sorry. But you can see it has lost some convection, trying to bubble that back up. Looks like it's going to do that very soon, as it looks like it is trying to bubble even more convection back up. And it is still expected to become a hurricane later in the week. Currently the winds are 50 miles per hour, that is 43 knots, a pressure of 1,000 millibars, and it is moving northwest at 13 miles per hour as of this latest update, brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So here is the NHC, the National Hurricane Center's forecast cone. As you can see there, 50 miles an hour. That is on 9 a.m. Thursday, and they're expecting it to reach hurricane status, it looks like, in the evening hours on Friday, maybe early Saturday, that is. Gains hurricane status for about 2 days, it looks like. Before then it weakens, and it looks like it will rapidly weaken from there. That's very far out there. I believe that is more than 5 days. So yeah, but it looks like it will speed up as well, actually. Yeah, I didn't notice that before. But the wind field is now circular. I believe it is now got nautical miles, tropical storm force winds. And take a look at the model intensity guidance is way down now. The highest one, I believe, is DSHP, actually, going for a Cat 1 mid-range. Closely followed by CTC2, also at Cat 1 but lower range. And every other model really has it at tropical storm. And some have it at like a borderline case, but it looks like they're not expecting it to become a hurricane anymore like the models were a few days ago. Taking a look at the visible imagery here, and you can see just an amazing presentation. It isn't as good as it was, in my opinion. It isn't as good as it was a few days ago, but it is trying to build convection back up, and if it does that, the storm will look a lot better than it has been looking in the past few hours. As it has lost quite a bit of that convection, and it is still expected to become a hurricane from the NHC. Which could happen, honestly. If it starts to build that convection back up, it could happen, and it has still intensified up to 50 miles an hour. And take a look at the true color zoomed out imagery, and you can see a very wide scale storm. There's rainfall impacting Mexico. The storm is actually pretty big at the minute. You can see the remnants of blasts over to the left hand side of your screen. That circular motion. But yeah, as you can see, trying to build convection back up could do it, and if it does, we could be seeing a hurricane later on in the week. Anyway, thank you for watching this update. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.